Fraxinus pennsylvanica is the green ash. This is a plant that's been used as a shade tree and a street tree, kind of an urban tree, for many years. It's kind of declining in use the past few years because of a pest that is making its way sort of across the country called the emerald ash borer, which is a borer that bores into the wood of the ash. And so this is a tree that if you have one, you'd want to keep it if it's not affected. Maybe not plant them in great numbers. There's also a white ash that is planted a little bit more frequently that we won't be going over in our class, but the green ash and the white ash are the most commonly used ash trees in landscape use. You see this genus named Fraxinus. This is one of the genus that has an opposite leaf arrangement, even though it has a compound leaf. This is the leaf type right here. This is a compound leaf. There's the rachis, and here are the leaflets. The leaflets can be smooth along the edge or have an occasional tooth. This kind of deep green, very nice, kind of clean-looking foliage. The form, this rounded canopy. Occasionally you'll get some witch's brooms, but typically it's a pretty just evenly distributed round canopy. The plant grows fast and is very durable, which are the pluses. The one big minus is the chance that you take that it may be afflicted by the emerald ash borer. The stem is kind of a stout stem. It stays green the first year, as you see in here, and then matures to sort of a grayish brown. The bark, the eventual bark on the trunk is sort of a crossing furrows, like you have the ridges and then the valleys, and typically these will cross kind of almost in an X pattern, sometimes more well-defined than others, but you can kind of see an X pattern in there. The flower, actually, it's dioecious, so they're just kind of a greenish white color. They're not really showy, but you'll have the male flowers on one plant and the female flowers on another plant. So you'll only get this samara type fruit on the female plants, and it fruits very heavily, which some people will regard as kind of unsightly because you have these brown seeds hanging all over the plant. Most of the cultivars that have been available commercially have been male cultivars to be able to avoid the fruit. The fall color is yellow, and the overall performance of the plant, other than with diseases, is good.